जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। A very good morning dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So beta ji, in the previous video we have started our chapter number 12. The name of the chapter is air, water and weather. Okay, so in last videos we have explained already these three pictures and definition of weather and the role of sun. Okay, sun plays a great role in changes in weather, causes day and night and causes seasons also. Okay, that we have discussed in the previous videos. So today I will explain the sun causes the wind to blow. किवें जेड़ा sun help करदा वा हवा चलन दे विच, right? So firstly see here, for example this is a sun. Okay, don't go on drawing. Okay, that is not so good. So this is a land. Okay, now what happened? Sun shines, right, and land gets heated, right? Secondly, air is also present on the land. If land gets heated means air also gets heated up, right? Yes, now on the land is also gets heated with the heat of the sun and air also gets heated up. Now air that is present in the surrounding, that is cooler air. Okay, cool air. So what happen when air on the land gets heated? It's light in weight, its weight is light, हौली हो जाती है. एंड वट हैपन देन इट राइसिस अप, हॉट एयर राइसिस अप, राइट? hot air rises up and cool air take its place, and cool air takes its place. When hot air rises up, cool air comes down, rushes to take its place, then it meets. When it meets, that movement of air causes wind to blow. Okay, so what is in the book? The same thing is there. The sun causes the wind to blow. The heat of the sun affects the movement of the wind. Now when sun shines, what happen? What sun gives us? Heat and light. When heat comes down to the earth on the land, what happen? When the sun shines during the day, it provide heat on the land. So what happen? The land gets heated, as a result of which what happen? Air is also present on the land. If land is heated up means the air that is present on the land is also gets heated. Okay, next, hot air is light. Now second thing is when air gets heat, that hot air is light in weight. What happen when air is hot? That is light in weight. For example, when you blow a candle, okay, and the smoke, that is the जिन्हों आप धुआं बोलते हैं, fumes बोलते हैं, that goes upside, that rises up. So why that rises up? Means the air is present in the surrounding and the air that is present in that fumes, that is light in weight. If that is light in weight, so that's why they are rising up. Okay, so that I will explain this in the online class. Okay, when we blow a candle and incense stick, the fumes of the candle and the incense stick, that is rises up. Why it rises up? Because it is light in weight. Okay, so hot air is light and hence it is rises up. Cool air, now the air that is present surrounding, that is cool. Okay, what happen? जदों hot air जिहड़ी ऊपर चल गई ते नीचे वाली जिहड़ी लैंड वाली स्पेस आ, that is vacant. What happen? This cool air rushes down. Okay, so this takes place the movement of the air causes wind to blow. Now see this picture, what is happening here. This is a sun, the rays of the sun comes down. This is a land, there is a air there is present, which air is present on the land, that is heated up. Firstly, with the sun rays, the heat of the sun, land gets heated. Secondly, the air that is present on the land also gets heated up. When air heated up, air becomes hot, it's light in weight and it rises upside. Okay, when hot air rises up, what happen, the cool air that is present in the surroundings, that flows down. These movement of the air causes wind to blow, right? So if you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me anytime. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Have a nice day.